Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for degree semester 1 students of Usmania University, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject Urdu 100% pass important questions for the examination December 2024. So students, watch the video with full concentration, and after watching the video please share the video with all your friends, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are very important. Now let's see what are the important questions for the subject Urdu. Now on screen you can see degree semester 1 Urdu important questions December 2024 exams. So students, your subject consists of two parts, part A and part B. Part A carries 20 marks, and each question carries 5 marks, and you have to write any 4 questions, and in the examination 6 questions will be there. So from the 6 questions you have to write any 4 questions, and if you attempt 4 questions you will get 20 marks, because each questions carries 5 marks. So 4 into 5, 20 marks you will be having for part A. Now let's see what are the important questions for part A. Number 1, गज़ल की तारीफ़ कीजिए, एंड सेकेंड वन मोहम्मद कुली कुतुब शाह पर मुख्तसर नोट लिखिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is very important. Question number 2 is also very important. Students, some printing mistakes are there, so for that please excuse me. And question number 3, सिराज के हालात ज़िंदगी बयान कीजिए. That is also very important. नज़म बारिश का तारुफ कीजिए, और सिंपली इन द एग्जामिनेशन ही विल आस्क यू नज़म का तारुफ बयान कीजिए. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सफ़रनामे का तारुफ और उसके अज़ाए लिखिए. देन नंबर 6, ड्रामे का तारुफ बयान कीजिए. सो 6 क्वेश्चंस for the subject Urdu part A. And students, this part A is for short questions. In part A you have to write short questions, and each questions carries 5 marks, and you have to attempt 4 questions for part A. And for part A the maximum marks is 20, because you have to attempt 4 questions, each questions carries 5 marks. Now part B, that is for long questions, and in part B you have to write 4 questions. Here two questions will be there, and you have to attempt any one question from each unit. 4 units are there, and from each unit you have to attempt one questions, whether you can attempt A or B. So question number 7, part B, and part B consists of 60 marks, and here you have to attempt 4 questions, each questions from each unit, and each questions carries 15 marks. So if you attempt 4 questions you will get 60 marks. 20 marks you will be having for part A, and 60 marks you will be having for part B. So 20 plus 60, total 60 marks. Now part B, on screen you can see under that question number 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, कुली कुतुब शाह की ज़िंदगी और शायरी पर खुसूसियात बयान कीजिए. और बी, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, मीर तकी मीर के हालात ज़िंदगी बयान कीजिए. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, ए, नज़म तौहीद को अपने अल्फाज में बयान कीजिए. और बी, ड्रामे का खुलासा अपने अल्फाज में बयान कीजिए. So question number 8, question number 7 and question number 8, here you will be having two questions, A or B. So in the examination you have to attempt any one from question number 7 and any one from question number 8. And question number 9, here I am sharing with you only one question, but in the examination you will be having 2 questions, A or B. So you have to attempt any one question, A or B. So question number A, here I am giving with you नज़म हिकायत की किसी 2 हिकायत को अपने अल्फाज में बयान कीजिए. दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ very important students. नज़म हिकायत के किसी 2 हिकायत को अपने अल्फाज में बयान करो. It's very important. And question number 10, here यहाँ पर इन मंदुज़ ज़ैल के अशार को में से किसी 3 अशार की तशरीह कीजिए. So question number 10, for that I am sharing with you 2 questions. So these 2 are very important for question number 10. So students, whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are very important. So start your preparation from these questions and share this video with all your friends, because these questions are very important for your examination. Students, on my YouTube channel, other important questions for other subjects are also available. EVS, FIT, BOM, Financial Accounting 1 and Basic Computer Skills. So these videos are available on my YouTube channel. So after watching the video, please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends, because whatever questions I have already given in that videos, that questions are also very important for your upcoming examination. So students, like and share this video also with your friends and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group also. And if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Students, for the complete guidance and all your academic information related with Osmania University, subscribe to my channel and stay connected with us for many more updates related with your academics. And don't forget to share this video with your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also. So students, be a part of my channel, because this channel is an educational channel and this channel is the channel for all the students. Thanks for watching the video.